Hi guys, this is Jackie from the Builderall team. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to personalize your sales funnel by adding a user tag on a Cheetah page so that your lead is greeted by their name on the confirmation page. Now for this to work, you would need to make sure that you've created a list in Mailing Boss and add the right fields. In this example, we've got the email, which is compulsory, then first name and last name. Once you've created that, you're going to go to Cheetah and you're going to create your website. The first form is the opt-in form, which is necessary for this to work. Then a confirm email and a download page. Now the first step is to go to your opt-in page and add an email marketing form. Once you've added the email marketing form, we're going to link this to this specific page, confirm email, and that is where the person is going to be greeted. So let's go click, and first you're going to make sure that you allocate a specific link or list. Then you're going to click and you're going to say subscribe pending. So you want the person to be sent to the confirmation page first, and once they confirm, they're going to go to the download page. So we are going to set that up. Set to confirm would be the download page. Select, and we're going to hit save. Now that is set. Make sure that you set your list to the correct area by clicking on it and choose your list. Once you've done that, you're going to click save. And we're going to click save again. That's fine. And now we've set up the opt-in page. The next step is going to be the confirmation page, which is this one here. So we're going to click on confirm email, edit the page. It's going to open up this page. Now I've already got some dummy text here. Now we need to add the tag. You're going to click, double click. After that name, give a little bit of a space. Then you see there's a little tag sitting right here. You're going to click on insert tag. And make sure you choose lead name. Not user ID or name, but lead name, and select. Now you're going to see it says tag name lead, and you're going to click save. And that's fine. And now it is all ready, and we're going to make sure to test it by going out of the cross. We're going to go to the opt-in page, go to the website. We're going to put our email address in, click on get instant access, and it's going to go to the page where it says, hey Jackie, please confirm your email. And that is how you would create the tag to personalize your sales funnel. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial, and I will see you in another. Bye.